Jesse here from Arbourdale to talk to you today about our most common causes of unwanted organic material in ponds. So when you're fighting with things like algae, duckweed, rooted weeds, most of those unwanted organics that you'll find in water derive their nutrients from the water itself. So those kind of inputs can be anything from leaf litter, grass clippings, over-fertilization, and anything that can contribute to that decomposing organic mass in the bottom of the pond. We like to refer to that as sludge. We often get asked what kind of chemicals we can use to control the weeds. These chemicals are not beneficial as far as controlling the weeds go because they're dealing with the symptom and not the cause. Our natural remediation approach to pond management uses bacterial additives to help naturally eliminate the unwanted organic buildup in the bottom of the pond, that sludge, which is going to feed your duckweed, your algae, and the other unwanted organics that you'll find in water. The pond behind us, you can see we've just had our spring bud drop. So the buds have now fallen into the pond. If those go left unchecked, as they break down, they produce the nutrients that your unwanted aquatic organics need to survive. So by getting rid of the nutrients, we actually get to the root of the problem and help attain overall pond health. Our natural bacterial remediation products address the root cause of the issue and attack that decomposing organic mass that you find in the bottom of the pond that actually feeds the weeds. So we're not dealing with a topical treatment, we're dealing with something that gets to the root of the problem. That combined with other options such as colorants to block out the sunlight, so to prevent your rooted weed growth in the bottom, aeration to keep water moving and to keep the aerobic bacteria in the water active. Those are the approaches that we use to natural pond remediation. This is our bacterial remediation product called the Aquasphere. It's a marine degradable cornstarch shell that houses 30 days worth of time-released bacteria packets. The bacteria in the sphere is designed to break down the decomposing organic material, that sludge that I referred to in the bottom of the pond, at a rate of about 4 inches per season, treating once every 30 days as long as we have 45-degree water temperature. The sphere sinks down to the bottom. The weight of the packets help keep it there so it stays where it's applied and the bacteria can stay where it needs to work. And again, it completely marine degrades, so it is a fire and forget product, and 30 days later we fire in another one. Here's our field rep Alex to show you how the Aquasphere is applied. All right, next product we're going to talk about is our pond colorants. This one here is the Muskoka Black. That is the color that this customer here has opted for. What this does is it blocks out the sunlight to the rooted weeds that grow from the bottom of a pond. In good clear water, sunlight can penetrate as deep as 10 to 12 feet, so you will get weed growth, including algae, which grows on the bottom. You will get weed growth down to those depths. A pond colorant can help block out that sunlight to a foot, maybe 2 feet, making the pond not able to grow weeds all the way throughout. This pond behind us in particular, 3 years ago when we started with it, it was completely covered from one side to the other in rooted weed growth that had actually reached the surface. With the addition of our Muskoka Black pond dye and the Aquaspheres, the pond is now completely free of rooted weeds. Here's our field rep Alex again to demonstrate how the colorant is applied. If you're looking to improve the health and appearance of your pond, contact us at Arbourdale today.